Hello everyone, welcome to the MAKHAN'S cooking. Today we are making a mouth-watering dry prawns recipe that's spicy, flavorful and super easy to make. Let's get started. First, heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the dry prawns and fry them until they are golden and aromatic. Remove the fried prawns from the pan and keep them aside. Now in the same flavorful oil, add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Next add finely chopped onions and saute until they turn soft and lightly golden. Add green chilies and give everything a good mix. Now add the ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder and mix everything well. Now add chopped tomatoes. Add salt to taste. Cook everything together until the tomatoes become soft, mushy and the oil starts separating from the masala. This step gives the curry its rich taste. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves. Finally, add the fried dry prawns back into the pan. Mix them thoroughly with the masala so every prawn is well coated. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Give it one last mix. And that's it. Our spicy and flavorful dry prawn curry is ready to serve. Enjoy it with steaming hot rice, chapati or even as a delicious side dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the MAKHAN'S cooking for more tasty homemade recipes. Thanks for watching.